Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we have a nice beginner leg workout. No weights are required. As always, we're gonna make this more difficult. Just grab a set of dumbbells. It will be much more difficult to do. We have 4 different exercises, 3 sets per exercise, between 8 and 15 repetitions or so per exercise. Just follow along with me, have some fun. As always, the preview is gonna be right here. There is no clock on the wall today, so we don't have to worry about that. We're starting off with some bent knee calf raises. You guys get ready to go? Let's get started in a couple seconds. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Get into a little half squat and just give me a calf raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. By the way, this works on the soleus muscle in the calf lower leg area, which is behind your calf muscle, which is very, very important for strength of your lower legs. Probably the most important muscle there, especially if you're a runner. This is the kind of calf raises you should be doing. So just like I said, we're doing 3 sets of each today. That was set number 1. No specific time breaks. Just follow along with me. Pretend you're just working out with me. Ready? That was set number 1. Get ready for set number 2. Bend those knees a little bit, and let's go for whatever amount of reps. Between 10 and 15. Keep it up. When it starts burning me, that's when I'll start counting down. Right now, we're still in good shape. Nice and slow. Try to get a full extension and then go all the way down. Full extension, hold it for a little bit, all the way down. Those knees stay bent. I don't want you to straighten out as you do this. Just keep the knees bent throughout. Let's do 5 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And relax. If you have to hold on to something, I got a wall to hold on to. You want to grab a chair, couch, or whatever you got to. Keep your balance. Nothing wrong with it. I'm going to be holding onto this wall during one of the exercises coming up later. Not a big deal. All right, 2 sets down. We have 1 more set to go. This is also warming up our quads and our hamstrings and our glutes because we are in that quarter of a squat position, right? All right, so get back into that quarter squat position. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice job. Keep it up. Do not straighten those legs. Just raise with the calves. Beautiful. Let's do 5 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And relax. All right, now we're going to do some lunging action. We're going to do, I don't know, once again, 8 to 15 repetitions per leg. I think these are a little bit difficult, so let's shoot for 8 per leg. And then if you feel good, set number 2 and 3, maybe we'll add a couple more. If not, we'll keep it at 8 or less. So you see a preview right now. We're going back and forth in one single motion. I'm going to get really close to the camera on this, and I got to make sure I don't step back into the wall. I should be good standing right about here. So I'm starting off with the working the right leg only. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Forward and then backwards right away. Keep your balance. Do this. I'm doing the best that I can. It might not look like it, but this is not easy. Ready? 3, 4, 5. Well, this might be, I don't know. Let's do 3 more. Ready? 1 and 1, 2 and 2. Keep that balance. 3. I really have to concentrate. And 3. And shake it out for a few seconds, and we'll switch legs. Same thing, other leg. Opposite whatever you started. Ready? I don't care where you started. Ready? Let's go. 1 and 1. 2 and 2. Keep that balance. 3, 3, 4. Remember, mobility and strength. That's what we're working on. Let's do 3 more. Ready? Go down as low as you can. 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3. All right, now we relax for a few seconds. Whoop. give it about 30 or so. Guys, welcome to Fit After 50. This is workout 609, I think, consecutive workout. We have not missed an upload in over 5 years on Mondays and Thursdays. Welcome. My name is Paul, by the way. I've been filming, editing, and posting these videos all by myself for over 5 years right now. Anyway, set number 1 done. Let's get started with set number 2. Go for about 8 or so again, give or take. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Step forward, lunge, step back, lunge. Forward in one motion and back in one motion. And that's 2. We're working on 3. We're going for 8. 8 sounds like a fair number that gives us those legs a good workout. Now we're working on 5. Keep it up. 6, 6, 7, 7. If you're using weights, there's more power to you. My legs are burning already after 8. This is the last one. And 8, and shake it out before we start up next. The other leg, the other side. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and step forward, step back, forward, and back, and stay with me. 1, and that's 3. We're working on 4. Keep it up. 4, halfway there. 5, 5, 6, 6, 2 more. 1, 1, 2, and 2, and shake it out. Oh yeah, this one is definitely gonna be feeling tomorrow. Like I said, don't need a lot of weight. Just need to stay in control. Keep everything nice and tight. You know what? Don't need to pick up those 40-pound dumbbells and do this with. If you can, great. I can't. And I'm already I feel a pretty good burn after about rep 5. All right, let's go. In about 10 seconds, let me catch my breath. Last and third and final set of these back and forward lunges. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, and 1, 2, 3, 3. Halfway with this leg, there we go. I think 8 was a good number for me at least. Paul's concentrating, so it's nice and quiet. Last 1 and 8. All right, shake it out before we do the last final set for the other side. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1. Step forward, step back, step forward, step back. Try to stay as upright as you can. Even though we're tired, we're fighting it all the way to the end. Come on. And that's 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. 2 more. 7, 7, 8, and 8. And we're back up. All right, let's shake it out for a minute or 2. We'll get going on the next exercise, which is a curtsy lunge. One of my favorite exercises. Gonna step backwards, a little bit of an angle, lunge down, and then repeat. Nice and easy. Let's do 10 repetitions, maybe 10 to 12. And this time we're gonna alternate legs. So you're gonna left and right and left, and just keep on going. This is a great mobility exercise also. Like I said, this is not a bodybuilding channel. Nobody's gonna get huge by doing these videos. But you are gonna get a little more fit. You're gonna get just strong enough, and you're gonna be a little bit more mobile. That's all we're looking for, right? You know, now there's a big push right now for lifting more weights and lifting heavier weights, and it's great. But you know, most of us have to find somewhere right in the middle, right? Somewhere between doing really light weights and just doing cardio, and then trying to deadlift 300 or 400 pounds. Most of these workouts are somewhere in the middle of that. That will get you in great shape, like I said, while being mobile, stable, building your core, building your legs. As we get older, legs are the first things to go. Hence, these exercises come in very handy. I've talked enough. Curtsy lunges in 3, 2. I might have to hold on to something for the first one. get my balance. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Step back and down and back across. And that's 2. Nice and easy and controlled. 3, 4, 5, 6. Halfway there. Let's do 12. Keep it up. 8. Stay in control all the time. 9, 10. 2 more. 1. Last one. And 2. And shake it out for a few seconds. Well, this editing of this video is going to be a lot easier with no clock. That clock on that wall takes me a little bit of time to do. Otherwise, it's pretty simple. Everything's shot in one take. There's no cuts, there's no B-roll or anything, you know. I have a full-time job. This is my hobby. I like making content for you guys. All right, set number 2. Curtsy lunges, 12 repetitions. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and then go. 1. I have to find my space. There we go. 2. We're going for 12. 3, nice and slow and controlled. Let the front leg do the work. 4, 5, 6. Bow down. Get up for 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more, guys. 1 and 2, and relax for a few seconds. Catch our breath. Keep going. We have 1 more set of this, then we have 3 more sets of another single leg RDL exercise, and then we're gonna be done. That's going to cover most of our leg muscles, including our glutes, which are very important. Getting those glutes strong goes a long way towards alleviating your knee pain and lower leg pain. So remember, work those glutes as much as you can. Anyway, set number 3. You guys ready to go? Let's relax and let's go. 1, 2, 1. I have a hard time looking at the cameras because I'm looking at the floor in front of me, trying to concentrate and not fall over. So it's difficult looking up. 7, 8. Keep it nice and slow. 9, 10. 2 more. 1 and 2. And now we can relax. All right, we got 1 exercise left. Single leg RDLs. I am going to hang on to this wall, at least balance a little bit, help me balance a little bit so I do not fall over. My balance is not the greatest. I work on it. I worked on it this morning a little bit before this video, and I'm working on it now. All right, how many reps we're going for? Between 8 and 12. We'll make it a call once we start doing them. Single leg RDL. That leg that's down, bend that knee just a little bit. Keep the other leg straight, and don't let that foot jog out, but keep it straight behind you as much as you can. Hinge and get back up. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hinge and up. Feel that pull, that stretch in the hamstring. 2, 3. As far as you can go. 4, 5. Let's do 12 per side. How is that? Let's do 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more. 1 and 2, and switch legs immediately. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3. Keep it up. 4, 5, 6. Halfway there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more. 1 and 2, and relax. Once again, if you have a dumbbell, you want to make this more difficult, you can hang out to 2 dumbbells, or you could just do 1 dumbbell, hold it with both hands, whatever works for you. For me, this is personally fine. I am nursing a little bit of a hamstring in my left leg, nursing a little bit of a knee in my right leg. So when I'm working my left leg on this, I can feel the hamstring pulling, and my knee, there's something wrong with it. When I'm just standing like this and I lean forward, I can feel it pinching right on top of my kneecap. It is what it is. We move on. Set number 2, you guys ready to go? If you go deeper than me, I hope you do, because I'm not very flexible. Please do so. And let's go with set number 2. 1. As long as you stay in control, this leg is bent a little bit, and you hinge. Hinge. That's all I want to see. 5. 6. Put your leg on it. Put your hand on the hamstring. I said you can feel it working. 7. 8. 9. 10. 2 more. 1 and 2. Switch legs. You guys ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Halfway there. 6 more. Ready? 1. Keep it up. Let's go. 2, 3, 4. 2 more. 1. Last 1. And 2. And now we can shake it out. All right, we got one more set left. So we have about a minute left of working out, and we are gonna be done with our beginner leg workout. Yeah, this was an SEO comment. YouTube, you listening? Beginner leg workout for adults over 50. There we go. I should have said this in the beginning, not at the end. Nobody watches these videos this far. You do what you need to do. You guys ready to go? Last set. 12 reps per leg. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hinge. 5. Halfway there. You're looking good. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it up. 5. 1 more. And 6. And we hop over to the other leg. And let's go for 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Halfway there. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more. 1 and last 1. Make it a good one. And 2. That's it, guys. That calls it for our workout. Thank you for joining me today for Fit After 50. My name is Paul. This is my little basement. This is my YouTube channel. Workouts come on every Monday and every Thursday. I'll see you guys during your next workout.